Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for stenographer, Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Ready and start. At this stage, comma, when there are only allegations and recriminations but no evidence, this court cannot anticipate the result of the investigation and render a finding on the question of malafides on the materials at present available full stop. Therefore, comma, it cannot be said that the complaint should be thrown overboard on the mere unsubstantiated plea of malafides full stop, even assuming that the complainant has laid the complaint only on account of his personal animosity, that by itself will not be a ground to discard the complaint containing serious allegations which have to be tested and weighed after the evidence is collected. Full stop stanza. The dominant purpose of registration of the case and the intended follow-up action are only to investigate the allegations and present a case before the court, if sufficient evidence in support of those allegations are collected, but not to make a character assassination of the person complained against. Full stop. Under section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket e of the Prevention of Corruption Act is entrusted should not proceed with a pre-hyphen conceived idea of guilt of that person indicated with such offence and subject him to any harassment and victimization, because in case the allegations of illegal accumulation of wealth are found during the course of investigation as baseless, the harm done not only to that person but also to the office he held will be incalculable and inestimable. Full stop. In the instant case, the SP seems to have exhibited some over-enthusiasm, presumably to please someone to, and had directed the SHO to register the case and investigate the same even on the very first day of the receipt of the complaint from the DGP in whose office the complaint was lying for merely 9 days. Full stop. This unprecedented overenthusiasm shown by the SP without disclosing the reasons for making an order and trusting the investigation to the SHO, who is not a designated officer under section 5A within bracket 1, really shocks one's sense of justice and fair play, even though the untested allegations made in the complaint require a thorough investigation. Full stop. Still, it is an inexplicable riddle as to why the SP had departed from the normal rule and hastily ordered the SHO to investigate the serious allegations leveled against a former chief minister and a minister in the cabinet of the central government on the phase of the registration of the case, full stop. However, comma, this conduct of the SP can never serve as a ground for quashing the FIR, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM पे, एग्जैक्ट 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।